Championship continues with action in Group A between Haiti and El Salvador on a beautiful day in Toluca, Mexico. Happy to have you along for this pivotal matchup here in Group A. Canada have done that, but Haiti has been to multiple semifinals. They're hoping to get back there again. They could mathematically do so today, but they have the Haitian starting 11, and if you were with us for their opening match, you are seeing a beautiful 60-degree day. And there's the whistle. Here we go. Match day 2 of your side today. Not a cloud in the sky, no threat of precipitation. Beautiful day for soccer. Early ball whipped in. Falls through the bottom to make a third semifinal in the history of this tournament. And perhaps beyond that, a first final. But they'll have to deal first with a free kick here for El Salvador. Putting on a set piece 4 minutes in for El Salvador to have a reverse start than they did in the opening game. An active day for the goalkeeper, hoping for a quieter day at the office today. It's always the catch-22 as a keeper. You want to be involved, but you also don't want to be. This one slipped through. Chance for Haiti, and the goal 4 minutes in puts Haiti in a terrific spot here in Group A. Dominique Desert, all it took was a couple of incisive through balls. After that free kick by El Salvador, Haiti the other way with the opening goal. Breezes through this Haitian back line. Again, 15 shots allowed by Haiti in the opener. That 2-1 victory. Scarpio lost it the other way, and it was the 7th minute against Mexico. Alanchi Pierre ahead for Etienne. Scored 2 goals in the opener, has an assist already today. Still Etienne weaving. Odd angle taken toward the ball. It comes through for Etienne. Here's Etienne. It's Haiti up 2. A mistake on the back line by El Salvador. A 3rd goal in 2 matches for Lortina Etienne. A 2nd goal under 10 minutes for Haiti. And in the live table, they have 6 points and sit at top Group A. The center back here just misjudges the balance. Depend on the result of the match that follows, Costa Rica and Mexico. Still a long way to go in this one, and a free kick again in a good spot here for El Salvador. And judging by the rest of the white jerseys where they're lined up, this is going to be an effort on goal here for El Salvador, and it's a good one through the hands of the keeper and in. A lifeline for El Salvador. Kimberly Prince saw it go through the fingertips. After a dominant 2-0 start inside of 10 minutes for Haiti, El Salvador is able to get one back. 5 for the World Cup. The 3rd place game will not be a qualification game as it has been in the last. Tobago back in 2010, Costa Rica back in 2014. Pinballing around, Desert has it blocked, and it's out for a goal kick. Last game, Mexico. 2nd match day in Group A for both of these teams. Joe Malva, happy to be with you on the call. Late decision, but a free kick awarded. And for that goal here, into the hands. Ray taken down by Murat. Clean it up. Still alive for El Salvador. Contact edge of the area, and it'll be a free kick. Just outside with the left foot. 4 players in the wall for Haiti. 20th minute, 2-1 Haiti leads. Gray's free kick is just over the bar. Sheena for Gray. Legs got tied up underneath in the battle for the ball. Still trying to untangle them here. I believe their cleats are interlocked. The laces of the cleats. Etienne touches it into space. 1 goal already, 3 in the tournament. Etienne, save made by Valenzuela. Big rebound, but fortunately for El, come down. Instead, it's all the way back now. Ravalios looking back in for Etienne. She was offside. Let it through. Poor clearance effort. Go for a goal here, and it's just over the bar. Some animation from that Haitian back line. There, the opening goal scored, taken down this time. Some space for Pierre. Nice turn by Desire. Leads to the contact and the free kick. Yasmin Diaz. And there's a whistle to end the first half. Haiti takes a 2-1 lead into the locker room here in Toluca. Second match for both of these nations here automatically as the hosts. And we'll see the first change of the match here on the Haitian side. That would be the game-winning goal if the result holds, but 45 more minutes to change that result in the first half. And every set-piece punt tried to cut this one through. That wind on the free kick. Ahead toward Etienne. Heavy first touch, but she gathers it anyway. Etienne on the left foot. Etienne wraps around it, but it's over the bar. Not her preferred foot. From the free kick, a good delivery. Prince clattered into a foul against El Salvador. Leaving all the medical attention for Prince. Crashed into by... And Prince looks like she wants to get back out there. It's the approval from the referee. It's a very heavy collision. A clean one at that. Both players just going for the ball. As this game goes along, and her health and her movement in the box. Desire, happy with. Over the top. Etienne finding more touches on the ball in the second half than she seemingly did in the first half. The more she has it, the better it is for Haiti. For the far post, and wide of everything. Driven over the top, the header is just wide. Salvador has been the better of the two sides in terms of chance creation. It was back and forth, but again, since then, opportunities have favored Salvador, and we will see the first yellow card of the match. Again, over the top for Etienne. Flag does. Played through, shot toward the far post, and it's harmlessly wide in the end. Effort by Medina for El Salvador. Anything offensively in the second half, and now a defensive miscue. Can lead to something here for El Salvador. It's played out toward Medina. Prince off her line. Out wide for Medina. This time it connects with her. And out for a goal kick. El Salvador has really been building in this second half. First corner of the match for Haiti. Outswinger toward Etienne. Falls for Etienne on the turn, looking for some space to shoot. Goes down still with the ball at her feet. Etienne scores! A moment of individual brilliance. Her fourth goal in 2 matches. And Haiti restores a 2-goal lead. This one, maybe not the same highlight reel that you're used to seeing from 20 yards out, upper 90, whatever the case may be. But this is a highlight reel. Also mean the end for El Salvador. That's how much just changed, perhaps on that last goal. And now looking to cement this one. Haiti, it's pulled wide of the near post. At 2 goals apiece, keep their hopes in this alive. All of a sudden, one brilliant moment. Joe Malva with you from Toluca. Group A action, 2024 CONCACAF Women's Under-17 Championship. The goalkeeper misjudged it. The substitute goalkeeper cadet misjudged it, and it's in the net. El Salvador, a second goal by a second goalkeeper error from two different goalkeepers on the day. Deflection to Etienne, sitting on a hat trick, and she has it. In a game of breaks and bounces, the latest goes to Haiti, and Etienne has 5 goals in 2 matches and a hat trick on the day. That one may finally do it for Haiti. El Salvador has hung around as long as they can, but that right there might be the bounce that does them in. Over the top, Cadet goes down. There was some contact. And the card is red. Well, just when I mentioned we'd seen it all today, for a third time today to bring it back within 1 after Haiti took a 2-goal lead. Hernandez finds a second free kick goal on the day. Not so fast. Haiti took a 2-goal lead with 5 minutes to play. Now they're down a player and only up 1. This match bookended by a frantic first 12 and frantic last 12. Etienne, the spin move, the shot, a 4th goal on the day for Etienne. And that may be the prettiest one yet, putting the team on her shoulders, leading 5-3. That initial move. And there's the final whistle. Haiti takes it by a final of 5-3. They sit atop Group A, and they celebrate the 3 points, yes, but the individual brilliance of Lordina Etienne with her 4 goals scored, bringing her to 6 on the tournament. And that 6, the common number, Haiti on 6 points